What it is, beautiful babes, it's your girl Sweet Angel. Do y'all know what time it is? Oh yeah, it's time for me to put something in this glass. Well, y'all know what time it is because you saw the title. I do get my little wine subscriptions, and this is one from the last one. This one is the L'Atelier du Sud. What that mean? I don't know. But y'all, this is one of the ones I got from last time. And y'all see my cute little cork. I love that. This is if I don't finish, which I shouldn't ever finish a bottle of wine. I have to cap it off with this or cork it up or something. So let's pour a little wine tonight and let's talk about the new box I got. Well, needless to say, about the new box, y'all, somehow I miss out on the sweet wines. This one is not sweet either. Ooh, it's a dry wine. It is. I was trying to get some information on it. I know I talked about it in the last video. So, since I don't have my info in front of me, go ahead and click on the other video. Watch it all the way through as well, and you'll know more about this one. But you know, I can tolerate it. I can tolerate a dry wine. I just don't want a dry wine, okay? Or semi-sweet or any of that. I want sweet. And this time around, I missed out again. But this is the WINC wine subscription. It's a monthly subscription. And it's $59.95 for a box. It's $59.95, and you select what you want to get. And they just simply ask that you rate it each time you get a wine. So this time around I have 3 to share with y'all. Now I'm not going to go into a lot of detail about the wine subscription because I do have the information linked down below. You can click on my referral link. Please do. And if you want to set up your subscription, do that. I'd love it if you come on board with me. And more details are also on the last video that I did, so I'm not going to go into details about that. So I have been enjoying it these last 2 boxes. Pretty fair. Now if I don't like the wine, or if it's just too dry, your girl makes her a little spritzer, okay? She'll add a little Sprite to it and keep it pushing. But since it's okay, you know, I deal with it. And if you're ready for it, why don't you come on into my dining area and we can talk about it. Are you ready? Come on, let's go. So yes, I received my shipment of wines from WINC. Yes, WINC is a wine subscription, and this is the second month that I have received my subscription. This time I got 3 wines. Last time I got 4. I really wanted to get sweet wines. That's really the only wines I love. I'll do semi-sweet, but rarely ever dry. I love sweet wines, and these are the 3 that I got this month. So we're going to be talking about those, but on the screen you'll also see me show you the actual WINC website and let you see basically what it's all about, okay? Now, I love my subscription because I get a chance to taste a variety of wines from around the world. All of the information is in the description box for you. I'm not going to go into a lot of detail because I did so on the last video, and I'll have that one linked in the description box as well as in the iCard above. But let me just talk about the wines that I got today. 3 wines. let me just click here on About My Wines, okay? So we can talk about them intelligently and let you see and hear all the goodness about these wines. All of the goodness about these wines. So here it gives me a wine guide, and I love that because it says if you're curious about what you're tasting in that wine or what dish pairs with it, this is how you can determine what foods will go great with it and all about the tasting notes of your wine. So it has recipes that are great for this wine. It also has the tasting notes. So let's talk about the tasting notes of the wines that I received. I want to kind of go in order as I have them laid here on the screen. So the first one we're going to talk about is the Pacificana. It's a California wine, 2019 Pacificana Rosé. California wine. Its regular price is $22.99, and as a member of WINC, I got it for $17.99. It also gives you the rating of this particular wine, which is rated at 3.9. This one is a quaffable red wine, easy drinking, whatever that means, okay? The body is medium, slightly sweet, and it has 13% alcohol in it. The tasting notes of this one is cranberry, lime, zest, raspberry, and strawberry. And you should serve it chilled. It pairs well with Thai, sushi, fruits, and fries. Say what a combination, eh? Now the next wine we're going to talk about is Ace in the Hole. So let's see. We are looking here at the 2019 Ace in the Hole Cabernet Sauvignon. It's made in Paso Robles, California. It's regularly priced at $18.99. As a member, I got it for $16.99. It's velvety, dark fruit, luscious. This one is a full body wine. Sweetness is dry. Alcohol 13.6%. Now again, I did want to get mostly sweet wines. However, as I mentioned, for whatever reason, everybody loves sweet, and I didn't get a whole of everything sweet. But here we go with the tasting notes. It's allspice, bell pepper, blackcurrant, dark cherry. Now you know, woo, I don't know, girl gonna have to add some sweet in there, like some Sprite or something, okay? This one they say serve at room temperature, and it pairs well with burgers, beef, chocolate, cake, and cheeses. Well, hunty. Okay. And the third wine and the final wine, which is the one that I'm very, very, very curious about, yes, is this 2017 Scarlet Smack Zinfandel out of California. Regular price is $18.99. I got it as a member for $13.99. It's punchy, red fruit, textured. It's a full body wine. It's slightly sweet, 14.8% alcohol. And this one, tasting notes of, come on now, leather, red cherry, rhubarb, and strawberry. Interesting enough. And you can serve it at room temperature, and it pairs well with burgers, pizza, chili. Okay. Well, honey, I tell you what, I'm getting to the point now where I'm just out of luck when it comes to the sweet wine. So I'm just taking it as it comes, and you know, I might land on something that I really, 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 really love. Now, this also has, as I mentioned, recipes that you can check out here. For this particular one, let's say this one, the 2017 Scarlet Smack Zinfandel. It gives you recipes for a baked burrata, ravioli, and Parmesan broth. Girl, what the world is that? I don't know. But it is interesting to just check out some of these recipes, because you never know. You might find something delicious. And this one, I'm gonna pass on it for right now. But I am still sipping on one of my older wines from my last box. I can't say older wines, but it is one that I got from the last subscription, and I'm going to continue to drink it for now. And then when I open these up, I'll share it with you. I'll let you see what it tastes like. Can you see what it tastes like? That's what we're gonna have to do. Well, how about that? Those are my wines for this go round. And beautiful babes, I hope you enjoyed the chit chat about those. Listen, I'm going to carry on. I have another video for y'all. You might see this same little robe in the intro, but I got some goodies for you this time. Listen, I've been having fun with the little wine subscription. Now, I'm gonna tell you the truth. I've been eyeballing a couple more. There is one that I am very interested in. I may pause this one for a month and check that one out and see where it goes. So, y'all let me know. It's more of a lifestyle box, and I think they'll give me the sweet wines that I'm asking for. Right now, WINC. I don't know, WINC sells out too fast, and I just can't be like, I can't be getting what I really don't want all the time. Now, if you're a dry wine person or a semi-sweet person, girl, they got you. But the sweet wine lovers, they falling short right now. So I'll have to see if I'm going to keep this going or not. But anywho, I'm going to drink up. And I might have this on my next video. But anyway, I'm out of here, beautiful babes. Y'all take care of yourself. Be safe out there. Make sure you drop a like on this video if you did enjoy it. If you didn't enjoy it and you just like me, just drop me a like anyway. Anywho, I'm out. Like, comment, subscribe, and please share your girl with your world. I'll see you on the next video. Cheers.